Get out of the way. Let's deregulate the business. These are the words that are mentioned in this year's Economic Survey 2024 by our Chief Economic Advisor. What does they really mean? Hi, I am Karthik. Welcome to my program Read Between the Lines. Today I am going to demystify this topic for you. Deregulation means removal of government restrictions and regulations in a business or an economy. But why do we have regulations in the first place? Because we Indians had been exploited by the British for 200 years. Especially the working class witnessed inhuman conditions. Due to that, after independence, the then government of India adopted socialistic approach to protect the working class and to ensure their welfare. Under these lines, the government of India enacted Minimum Wage Act, Payment of Wage Act, Factories Act 1948, Maternity Act, and so on. The key provisions of these acts are limitation on working hours, providing canteen facilities, transportation facilities, prohibit women from working in night shifts, and so on. These provisions protected the working class from the exploitation of the employer. But over the period, especially after globalization, the tables have turned. These provisions are acting as a laggard or hurdles for Indian economy. The Chief Economic Advisor realized this and suggested for deregulation. But he didn't provide any concrete steps to deregulate the business. Now that we understand what is deregulation, what is your thoughts on this? Does the deregulation will undermine the social security of working class? Comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.